Hi, my name is Allison. I'm a small business tax expert with Block Advisors by H&R Block. Today, we'll learn several important things to know when writing off a car for business. If you are a small business owner and drive for work, whether you're self-employed or own an LLC, you may be eligible for a business vehicle write-off. Some examples include driving to client meetings, between work sites, or on business-related errands. Keep in mind, personal use and your regular commute to the office don't count. There are two ways to deduct car expenses when writing off a car for business. You can use a standard mileage rate or the actual expenses method. If you use the standard mileage rate, simply track your qualifying business miles and multiply by the IRS provided per mile rate. This rate is usually updated periodically to keep pace with inflation. If you decide to go with the actual expense method, the process is a little more complicated. To calculate your expenses, you determine the business use percentage of your vehicle and then multiply that by your costs for gas, maintenance, insurance, depreciation, etc. To claim your deduction, you need detailed mileage logs and receipts. Whether you use an app, spreadsheet, or pen and paper to log your trips and expenses, the important thing to know is that it's easier to track as you go throughout the year. You risk leaving something out if you wait until the end of the year to get organized. We sometimes hear from small business owners who wonder, can an LLC write off a car purchase? The answer is generally yes, if the car is used primarily for business. You may qualify for bonus depreciation or Section 179 deductions. A tax pro can walk you through the details for your options to write off a car for business that you purchased this year. Ready to maximize your business vehicle write-off? Block Advisors can help you get every deduction you deserve, guaranteed. Visit blockadvisors.com today to schedule an appointment in person or online with a small business certified tax pro.